Hello. Today we'll be learning how to use the Woolham ellipsometer focus probes. These are used to reduce the spot size from approximately 3 millimeters down to 100 microns. From the Hardware tab, select Install Focus Probes. The software will ask if you would like to step through the alignment procedure. Click Yes. At this point, the stage will elevate and the ellipsometer arms will angle to 90 degrees. Once finished, the software will ask you to attach the receiver probe. You can find the probes behind the tool. Carefully open the box, and you'll see the two probes sitting inside. One of them is labeled receiver. The other one is labeled source. Take the receiver probe and carefully remove the protective cover by pulling while gently twisting back and forth. Place the cover back inside the foam case. Once the cover is removed, take the probe and align the 3 thumb screws with the ellipsometer's receiver and carefully tighten them. Press OK, and the software will prompt you to attach the source probe. Repeat the same steps as you did with the receiver probe, but on the source side of the ellipsometer. Next, the software will prompt you to remove the receiver target and attach the lens. This instruction can be ignored as we started with the lens attached. Next, we will adjust the receiver probe tilt in order to maximize intensity. While watching the intensity value on the screen, first adjust the X alignment until you get a local maximum. Then, fine-tune it using the Y alignment. Here we can see our max intensity is 19.3. Once the X and Y tilt is set, press OK so the delta offset can be measured. Once this step is completed, you are now ready to perform measurements using the focus probes. To remove the focus probes, return to the Hardware tab and select the Remove Focus Probe option. At this point, you can carefully undo the thumb screws on the focus probes while supporting it with your other hand so it doesn't drop. After removing each probe, carefully replace the protective cover and return it to the plastic case. Once the probes have been replaced, return them to their location behind the tool.